crunch your way to the finish line. Looking for a fun way to strengthen your core and improve your running performance? Try this crunch challenge! Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Then, lift your shoulders off the ground and reach your hands towards your knees. Repeat for 30 seconds. Then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat this cycle for 5 minutes. This exercise will not only improve your endurance but also help you maintain proper running form. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below.